Hey, welcome back. Today I have another $100 outfit challenge. This time it's from Banana Republic Factory. If you were to find stuff at Banana Republic for 40% off, which you can find a lot of, that takes your $100 pair of pants down to a $60 pair of pants. But if you like videos like this and other fashion and style related videos, then I would love to have you back. So please click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get notified when I post new videos every week. So I have a strict set of rules that I must follow during these $100 outfit challenges, and they're a little bit different from what other YouTubers do. So let's cut to that real quick and take a look. Rule number 1, I must spend $100, give or take $10. I tried last time doing give or take $5, but that was really hard. Rule number 2, it must be a 4-piece cohesive outfit. Now that can mean shoes, pants, a top, and a jacket, or shoes, a dress, a jacket, and an accessory. It doesn't matter, it just has to be 4 pieces and one cohesive outfit. Rule number 3, no more than 50% of the items that I buy can be from the clearance section. Okay, those are my rules. Let's see how I did. Okay, so I followed all of my rules. I have 4 pieces in this one cohesive outfit. My secret, everything was on sale and I had an extra 20 to 25% off coupon. That's what you have to do to make this work, and that's not part of the rules, so it works. Yes, I did buy all of this online, but hey, I do probably 99% of my shopping online anyway, and if you are like that too, put a comment down below. So I'm gonna start at the top. The first piece I got is this classic linen blend button-up in a gingham print. It's in a navy. I love this for spring and summer. It's very lightweight, very breathable. I love button-ups because they are so versatile. You can wear them all kinds of ways that can dress them up or dress them down. Gingham is so in right now, kind of the picnicky feel, and I love navy for this because it's still really professional and refined, but it can really dress down as well. It is a classic fit, which usually isn't what I gravitate towards, but you can always get a classic fit tailored for a more fitted look. So at Banana Republic, this originally went for $32.49 and I got it for $25.99. So we're right in that $25 per piece zone. All right, moving on down, I saw these and immediately had to have them because there's so many things about them that I love. And that is these white Sloan crop pants. Now, cropped on me usually means just like normal ankle pants. I am obsessed with Banana Republic's Sloan pants. I have so many of them from the normal Banana Republic, so this was actually my first time trying the Banana Republic factory ones, and they are different. The stretch isn't quite as comfortable. I don't like them as much as the Sloan pants from Banana Republic. The drawback to these ones, I haven't tried the normal ones, so I don't know about the normal Banana Republic ones, but you can see through these pants, which I know is like the ever-present problem with white pants, but you can see the pockets through these ones, so at that point I feel like if you can see the pockets through white pants, it's on the manufacturer. I was willing to overlook how these fit a little bit differently than the normal Sloan pants, but because I can see the pockets, I'm not gonna keep them. However, I really like the idea of this outfit with the white and the gingham. I really, really wanted these to work, but I cannot get over the fact that I can see through them. You can even see my shirt tucked in through it. So, if you have a pair of white pants that you love for work, can you put them in the comments down below? I'm in the market. I forgot to say how much they were. So I'm wearing them in a size 4. They retailed for $34.99, which usually the Sloan pants from Banana Republic are $98. And I bought them for $27.99. So to make this outfit much more cohesive, I had to get a belt. I love the brown because of the navy and the white. It just totally makes this outfit spring and summer and can transition to fall when the time comes. But it's so soft. It is a synthetic leather, but I don't care. I just really think it will go with a lot of things, and it was a steal retailing for $17.49 and I got it for $13.99, which then left me just enough money to buy a great pair of shoes. Duh, I had to get a good pair of shoes. Have you seen any of my shoe videos? And so these are just some pointed toe loafers from Banana Republic. They're really comfortable and I love the color. This is technically a blush pink color, but on me they look nude. What do they look on the camera? they look kind of pink. There is a really funny part about these shoes is that they are super slick on the bottom. So walking around my house where it's like a bunch of carpet, I'm like skating around. So I just need to go outside and kind of scuff up the bottoms. Something I love about Banana Republic shoes is that they just have such amazing finishing touches. The sole is just a beautiful leather color and the heels have this really pretty wood finish. If you're looking for somewhere that just gives you that polished look immediately by just wearing one thing, then Banana Republic is definitely the way to go. And if you're looking for something more on the inexpensive side, the factory store is awesome. So these shoes retailed for $34.99 and I got them for $28, which brings my total to $95.97. So I came in under budget. I know this isn't part of the challenge, but if you have a navy blazer to go with this outfit, which I do, it's not from Banana Republic, but just look how great it all works together. And it just takes something that's kind of a more casual look, and if you need to dress it up, you can definitely do that with a beautiful navy blazer. But let me know if there are any other $100 outfit challenges you'd like me to try, what stores, which brands. I have some ones on the back burners, but I would love to hear your suggestions. So put it in the comments below. Belle Babes, that is your question of the video. So I did my last $100 outfit challenge from Nordstrom Rack, and I will put that right here along with something else I think you'll really love. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe. I would love to have you back. You mean so much to me as part of this community. I can't wait to see you next time in my next video. Bye.